Public service workers belonging to the Police and Prison Civil Rights Union Popcru have braved the scorching Vaal weather for a lunchtime picket at the Leeuhof Correctional Services facility in Vereeniging. These workers are categorized as essential service workers. They include correctional services officials. They parked their lunch boxes on a cost of living picket.
Workers are rejecting that 3%. Over and above that, obviously there are also other demands in the public service that we have raised in the SABC that have not been met by government. Issues around the housing, medical aid, all those issues are still not yet implemented by government. Then we are frowning to that.
The workers have also called for intervention at the Leeuhof Correctional Centre, citing rampant corruption, staff shortage, and the centre are seeing prisoners escape unhinged.
There is issue of a deadlock around issue of shift system pattern that has been unilaterally changed by the acting area commissioner, Mr. Mbele, of Rumpent area. And there are also issues around in terms of the investigations that must be done here. There are escapes that are happening here, and senior managers are implicated, but no investigation is done. There is also an issue of a gross negligence by the head of the center here, Mr. Konyane, who lost the arsenal key doors. And nothing has happened, no investigation, no report was done.
These workers say they are looking forward to joining other labor federations to down tools in the public sector. They accuse government of arrogance in the insistence of the 3%.
What is 3% to a mother who has kids who are in school, who has a family to run, who is a single parent having children in school? I mean, this is medical aids are going up. Housing is going up, school fees are going up, insurances are going up, but the government comes and tries to put a 3% down our throats.
They are saying 3% is enough for us, forgetting that during COVID, we were the ones who were working all along. They regarded us as essential services. But when coming to remunerations, we are not essential.
We've got very arrogant management here. The employees are getting frustrated by the government itself with the 3% with non-increment of salaries for the past 2 consecutive years. But on top of that, the employees are still struggling with the treatment from the management from this institution.
The memorandum of demands was not submitted as planned. Officials from the Leeuhof Correctional Service were not available to receive the document, a move that has made workers more angry.
They are very arrogant, comrades. So then now they've demonstrated that by not coming even today to receive the memorandum. But we are not going to despair, comrades. This is the beginning. They are not going to rest up until our demands are met here, comrade.
Popcru members have slammed the management of the Correctional Services facility in Vereeniging for failing to honor their appointment today over the handing over of a memorandum of demands. They say talks continue on the raised issues at the Leeuhof Correctional Service facilities. These workers will join other Cosatu workers for a march in Tshwane next week on a date that will be confirmed at the joint Cosatu briefing tomorrow. Katlego Logodi, SABC News, Vereeniging.